I want to buy a house. I want to buy an house. Already ready to occupy a house is there. Compulsory. What you are going to do? If you want to buy the house, you will visit the house. You will inspect the house. You will inspect each and every room, how the construction will be. Or otherwise, is there any flaws? Is there any problems are there? Like without saying, without inspection, are you going to buy the house? Respond, friends.
No, sir.
No, right? Compulsory, compulsory. You have to visit. You require to inspect. Then only you are going to do that. Then only you are going to buy the house. Okay, like next, do you know I want to buy a car? Assume that I want to buy Fortuner car. I want to buy a car. Compulsory. You require to go for test drive. Is it a general right? It's a general right. Array, we have to go for test drive. If you observe any car showroom, for any vehicle, test drive is available. Just you can book automatically. The people will come to your house, your house, and then they can arrange a test drive. So that if you feel comfortable, then happily you can go for that test drive. It's a compulsory, man. Okay, like in any car showroom, you can go for test drive. You can ask test drive how you are going to feel. Are you feeling based on your expectations are going to be fulfilled in reality or not? It's going to be due. Next, these days, very fancy word. Before marriage, dating. Before marriage, dating. Okay, it's a very common these days. Do you know? So in the dating, these two people are going to understand. Okay, so whether this person is suitable or not, whether opposite person is suitable or not, our minds are going to be sync or not in all aspects. Like they are going to test. Once it's okay, then happily they can go for marriage. Dosto. So in every aspect, we are doing, okay, in every aspect in real life, okay, we are doing multiple checkings kind of thing before taking a decision. But in the hiring also, such a type of thing must be required. If you are going to hire blindly, what will happen here? There is a bigger problem by default will come in the picture. Sometimes there may be something goes wrong. Yes, really something goes wrong. Then it's always a bigger problem. Best example, best example for you people. Assume that in the corporate company, of course, our other Dan required one senior software developer for a particular client. He recruited a person named with a headship. He recruited a person. He saw the resume, his experience is wonderful. He worked in previous multiple top companies. Then automatically the experience is too good. Then by seeing the resume, he recruited that person. Yes, his profile seems to be too high, too good. Then this person is required to work in the client location. Yes, assignment got started. This senior developer is working in the client location. So after a few months, client made a phone call saying, your employee showing worst performance. Your employee showing worst performance. Sorry, we are not in a position to continue this. Like the client came up. For years onwards, whatever the trust you build with that client, by default, the project got cancelled. There is a big loss. There is a big loss to the company. Just one small wrong hire to the company, how much problem is going to come? This thing is enough. Because the problem what happened is, he recruited that person by seeing resume. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
So by seeing the resume, he recruited a person. So it is not at a correct approach for the recruitment. So then what is the correct approach? That the test first method.